Welcome back to Next Wave News, where we uncover the science that shapes our planet's future. Today, we're diving into a deep-sea mystery that's puzzled scientists for over a decade. Starting in 2013, a devastating disease began sweeping the Pacific coast, from Mexico all the way up to Alaska, turning sea stars into things no one had seen, their arms curling, lesions spreading, until they disintegrated into puddles of goo. Some species vanished, almost completely. Of all the casualties, one creature stood out, the sunflower sea star, a massive predator with up to 24 arms and the size of a bicycle wheel, declined by about 90%. It wasn't just tragic, ecologically, it was disastrous. With their numbers so low, sea urchins exploded across the ocean floor, overgrazing kelp forests that support many marine species. Scientists have chased clues for years, unsure whether a virus, a parasite, or environmental stress was to blame. But in a breakthrough that's being hailed as a decade-in-the-making moment, researchers have identified the culprit, a bacterium called Vibrio pectinicida. This wasn't discovered in dead tissue samples, it was lurking in the coalomic fluid. Think of it as the sea star's blood. That crucial difference allowed scientists to home in on the pathogen. In lab experiments, exposing healthy sea stars to this bacterium produced the same tragic symptoms, confirming it as the likely killer. Now that we know the enemy, we have real options for action. Scientists can monitor marine environments for this bacterium and focus efforts on breeding resistant individuals. Captive breeding programs could reintroduce healthy sea stars back into their natural habitats. Researchers may also explore probiotics or treatments that boost their immunity. This isn't just about saving one species, it's about protecting entire ecosystems. Sunflower sea stars are voracious predators. Without them, kelp forests suffered immense losses. Restoring sea stars could help kelp, and all marine life tethered to those underwater forests, bounce back. If this deep-sea detective story inspired you, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Next Wave News, and hit that notification bell so you stay in the flow of breakthrough science and conservation stories. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next wave.